curly-haired, like a sheep, and rich in flavor like Wagyu, with over 70% of its body fat. The Mangalitsa pig is one of the world's most extraordinary farm animals. Once nearly wiped out, this rare Hungarian breed has become a prized delicacy. In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes of Mangalitsa pig farming and modern processing, from lush pastures to high-tech facilities, revealing how this once-forgotten pig is now some of the most luxurious pork on the planet. The world's only curly-haired pig, the Mangalitsa, was created in 1833 by Archduke Joseph of Hungary by cross-breeding Serbian and Hungarian pigs. This woolly breed became famous for its rich, marbled meat, earning it the nickname Kobe beef of pork. By the 1950s, Mangalitsas were exported widely and ruled the pork market. With over 70% body fat, it was the favorite in Hungary when people cooked with lard. But as cooking oil in refrigerators became common, the fatty Mangalitsa fell out of favor. By 1991, fewer than 200 pigs remained in Hungary, on the edge of extinction. Thankfully, a Spanish company stepped in to revive the breed in 2016. Today, Mangalitsa farming thrives in countries like Hungary, Austria, Canada, France, and the US, with over 7,000 sows in Hungary, producing around 60,000 piglets each year. Mangalitsa pigs are natural foragers, which makes them perfect for free-range, pasture-based farming. While some farms still raise them in barns, many prefer to keep them in fenced enclosures out on open fields. Because these pigs are so valuable, farmers take great care of them, regularly cleaning their living areas, tagging them for easy identification, and closely monitoring their health with detailed records to ensure each pig stays in top condition. There are three main types of Mangalitsa pigs: the blonde, the red, and the swallow-bellied. Each has its own distinct coat color, but all share the same iconic curly hair that makes them look almost like sheep. The blonde Mangalitsa is the most common, with a light golden coat. The red variety has a deep reddish-brown color, while the swallow-bellied type features a striking black body with a pale, creamy underside. Mangalitsas are known for their docile nature, strong immunity, and high-fat marbled meat that's rich in flavor. With their thick, woolly coats, these pigs are built to handle cold climates, and their calm, curious personalities. In farms where Mangalitsa pigs are raised in controlled environments, their diet is carefully managed to keep the meat quality high. They're usually fed a mix of wild pasture greens, supplemented with potatoes and pumpkins, which provide energy and nutrients. This balanced, natural diet not only supports their health and growth, In addition to their diet in pens, Mangalitsa pigs are often allowed to graze on open pasture. Grazing is an important part of their natural behavior, allowing them to forage for grass, herbs, and roots, which contributes to their overall health and well-being. This grazing method also enhances the flavor and texture of their meat, as foraging gives them a varied diet, leading to more complex fat marbling. Mangalitsa pig's breeding process is carefully managed by farmers. Typically, Mangalitsa pigs reach sexual maturity around 8 to 10 months of age. Once bred, Mangalitsa sows have a relatively short gestation period of about 115 days. They typically give birth to litters of 6 to 10 piglets, which are carefully monitored for health. The piglets are born with a fine, soft coat, which later develops into the iconic curly wool as they grow. Farmers provide a comfortable and safe environment for the mothers and piglets, ensuring they receive proper nutrition and care. Not every processing plant is equipped to handle Mangalitsa pigs due to their unique, thick, curly coats, require specialized machinery and significant water resources to properly clean and remove the hair before processing. The process begins with a thorough cleaning of the pig's coat, using high-pressure water and specialized tools to ensure that all the wool is properly removed without damaging the skin. Once the coat is cleaned, the pig carcass is divided into different cuts. The fat is an essential component of Mangalitsa pork, so special care is taken to preserve its high marbling, which contributes to the flavor and texture of the meat. After the carcass is broken down, the meat is carefully separated into various sections such as ribs, shoulders, loins, and belly. Some of the fat is kept for further processing, while other cuts are prepared for fresh sales, aging, or curing, depending on the product being made. The entire process requires skilled workers and proper equipment, making Mangalitsa pork a more labor-intensive and costly product to produce compared to other pork breeds. Mangalitsa pork is prized not just for its flavor, but also for its incredible versatility. Thanks to its rich fat content and deep marbling, the meat is often used to make premium cured products like dry-cured ham and artisanal sausages. The belly and back fat are also ideal for rendering into high-quality lard or turning into crispy pork cracklings. In particular, the legs are commonly used for producing cured hams, much like jamon or prosciutto. Unlike leaner commercial pork, Mangalitsa pork's high fat content makes it incredibly juicy and tender, even after long cooking times, which is perfect for slow roasting, braising, or grilling, where the fat melts and infuses the meat with flavor. It's also commonly used in traditional recipes like pork stews, pan-fried chops, or even as a luxury cut for gourmet burgers. The fat itself is so prized that it's often rendered into lard for cooking or baking, known for its clean taste and smooth texture.